Waiting for everything to fire up, and there it is. All right, it is Wednesday, December 3rd, 2019. It's 10:07 a.m. here in Arizona. Today, green day in the market. So, crypto markets are doing well. Bitcoin up 0.91% at 7,357. Ethereum up 1% at $150. And Litecoin up 2.9% at $47. XRP up 1%. The banker's coin is making a move today. So, this is really nice to see. Across the board, most that I'm seeing right here are green. So, a green day in the crypto market. That's a good thing. But let's look at the traditional markets. Dow Jones Industrial Average, 2 red candles in a row. MACD has definitely turned negative. S&P 500, red day. MACD is negative. Russell 2000 Index, red day, definitely starting a downtrend for the Dow Jones, the S&P, and the Russell 2000, all not looking so good, definitely hitting a downturn there. MACD is negative on all of them. I mean, I'm certainly not saying it's the end, but maybe we're going to see a little trip down to the 200 moving average before we continue back up. Tether into Bitcoin, 1.28 billion. Tether into Ethereum, 571 million. Bitcoin market cap 132 billion, real volume 198 million. That sucks. Totaling Bitfinex, BitMEX, and Binance, we got 59% longs, 40.53% shorts. Bitcoin dominance 68%. Altcoin market cap 61 billion. Looking at Bitcoin on the 2 hour, we are below the 200 moving average, definitely. Let's look at it on the 1 hour. We are still below the, we're still below the 200 moving average, but the SAR indicator is green and MACD is positive. So overall, Bitcoin is moving up. We still aren't, when I look at immediate price action, we still are below the 200 moving average on the hourly and the 2 hour. So let's actually look at the MACD on the 2 hour. That oftentimes shows us what our immediate price action is doing. So it's positive on the 2 hour. So an hourly positive and 2 hourly positive on the MACD and a slight uptrend, not looking too bad. So immediate price action is good. And of course, we are looking at a green day in the market and Bitcoin is slightly up. So boom, not a bad way to start Tuesday. Okay, let's look at the CMA futures, still below the 200 moving average, and MACD is negative. Bitcoin on the daily, well, we are above the 618 fib level, which has definitely been a point of attention recently. Yesterday we did wick down to it, but we did close above it, and today we have not wicked down to it. We have a nice green candle so far today, and hopefully we will continue rising above it. All right, on the daily, we're still below all the important moving averages of 200, the 21 weekly EMA, and the 50 moving average. So we are definitely needing to get above these moving averages to get into a more bullish territory, but it looks like we're at least heading in that direction. Daily MACD is positive. It has flipped positive, and the histogram is widening. So boom, looks like we definitely are going to keep moving above the 618 moving average, and hopefully that can be history, and we can be working on support and resistance around the 0.5 fib level, around 8,500. Totally possible. All right, looking at the daily, I'm still watching this possible flag pattern here, and if this is the flagpole, I mean, when this thing breaks positive, that's going to be rocking. So we'll keep an eye on this pattern here. All right, looking at the 4 hour chart here, going all the way back to last December. We did play around between 10 and 8K for a while. And now it looks like we, of course, have been playing between 8K and 6,500, but also, quite recently we are going between 8K and 71 to 7,300. So we do have a lot of support and resistance in the chart at 8K, and a lot of buy-sell volume shown here by the VPVR. So really, we need, hopefully that magnetic pull towards 8K will get more velocity in that direction, and we'll break over it, and we'll maybe find support up around the 8,500 area, where we do see some buy-sell volume here in VPVR to support us, and support and resistance in the chart, and that would match if we look at the daily. There's your 0.5 around 8,500 for the fib. So boom, we're heading in the right direction. Big news. What was the big news? Oh, this is yesterday's big news. Sorry, there's no big news today, but I will reference Buckminster Fuller here again. You never change things by fighting the existing reality. To change something, build a new model that makes the existing model obsolete. Hey, and well, I'm here for the peaceful revolution. Let's watch it. Bitcoin Bitcoin bomb falls on the earth, destroys the fiat system. Then the earth is covered in, icing. Cover the earth. And this is by Lucio Paletti on Twitter. Follow him. He's a great character, great artist, great visionary. So there's the big news. Buckminster's words are still true. Hey, I'm a member of Blockchain Education, and you should be too. Hop in, it's a lot of fun. I won't do the whole infomercial today. Let's make this quick. Basically, click on the affiliate link, watch this infomercial, check it out, join the winning team. As always, obstacles can't stop you, weather can't stop you, heartbreak can't stop you, failure cannot stop you, only you can stop you. Keep hammering. As always, you are a friggin' warrior. Keep at it. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you again tomorrow.